Secret Waterfall is right here. We got Tyson with us today. These are porta potties. This is the parking lot. And this is the trail. So the waterfall is actually going right. Over here is like an overlook area. I'll show you guys in a second. And yeah, it's about a 15-minute walk down that way. Then we're gonna make a right. Show you guys what's on the left side. That's about it. And watch out for these layer mines right here. Tyson getting the drone ready. He's gonna try it out, see what he could get. It's a very peaceful area. There's a lot of seals here, eagles, seagulls, a lot of cows, as you guys can see. Yeah, that's about it. He's gonna fly his drone, I'm gonna fly my drone, and we'll see you guys in the sky. That's pretty cool. We got a lot of drone shots, so now we gotta go to the secret waterfall that hardly anybody knows about. So the way you get to the waterfall is about 3-4 curves going this way, out. You actually could see it. We're getting closer to it, so see it right there. We're mounted in, and this is the gate to go into the waterfall, and this is the barn. That's how you know you're getting close. Oh yeah, there's no trespassing too, so stay on the road and follow this guy. He's gonna lead you the way. Yeah, we're gonna go downhill like this, and the waterfall will be on your left side. So this is how it looks. Alright, so we're down a hill. This is the green bridge. You can actually hear the water. So right here is where the waterfall comes out of. It's right by the green bridge. But we're not there yet, so stay put. We're going to keep on going straight. See that mountain? Over here, if you're going in October, there's a lot of pumpkins and stuff right here. And you're still not at the waterfall just yet. But if you're going uphill, that means you passed the secret waterfall. It's actually kind of where that brownish part is at right there. Alright, so this is the tricky part. The entrance to the waterfall is down here. I know it looks like a weird bush. But if you're in the center from here, you see, I guess, a barn or a house. And to your right is where you came from. To your left is where you're going too far and you're messing up. So exactly right in the middle is where the waterfall. I do not recommend kids, dogs, maybe just adults that needs to go down here. It's kind of hard to go down. So this is how it looks. You might have some poison ivy, ticks, all that stuff. On the winter, it's like gushing. So I do not recommend you guys going in here. This is how it looks from the outside. He's wearing these. I'm wearing that. Good shoes for these. But you want to walk towards that way. As you can tell, if you're too tall, you might not be cut out for this. So just stay on the outside of this part, and you'll be okay. All right, the waterfall is getting close. So you always want to stay on the side, like how Tyson's doing. You might fall, slip, but he's actually doing pretty good. So always stay to your left side. It's this side, and the waterfall is actually right here. So I said earlier, you stay on the left side, but you actually gotta cross over this way, and you have more access to the beach and the waterfall right here. This is a video of it's dried up right now, and then this is the video of it looking cool. Somebody actually put a rope right here. This is how far the step is. So we're gonna try to go down there, and this is how it looks. This video helped you guys in any way. Like, subscribe, all that fancy stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next hiking video. Oh look, there's actually seals over there. It's tight.